Our walking tour of Malé continues. In this part, we leave the quiet mosques behind and dive into the sensory heartbeat of the city, the markets. Everything here flows from the sea. At the northern waterfront, the jetties are alive with activity as donis arrive fresh from the atolls. This is the heartbeat of the Maldivian economy. Freshly caught tuna, the gold of the islands, is brought directly to the market floor. The Malé Fish Market is a masterclass in efficiency and tradition, where the day's catch is processed with incredible speed. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Watch the precision of the fishmongers. It takes years to master the art of preparing these massive tuna for the city's kitchens. While tuna is the star, the market is filled with an incredible variety of colorful reef fish, reflecting the rich biodiversity of the surrounding waters. Just a few steps away, the sensory experience shifts at the local market, where the air is thick with the scent of tropical fruits and spices. Here you'll find the true flavors of the islands: bundles of bananas, fresh papayas, and exotic fruits brought in from the southern atolls. Don't miss the adu bandi, a sweet traditional coconut treat carefully wrapped in dried banana leaves, a favorite among locals and visitors alike. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone: 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. You'll also see stacks of Maldives fish, tuna that has been smoked and dried, a staple ingredient in almost every local dish. The colors and textures here are a photographer's dream, from vibrant red chilies to the earthy tones of traditional spices. But the real charm lies in the people. The vendors are always ready with a smile and a story about where their produce came from. Take a moment to enjoy a fresh king coconut, or kurumba, the ultimate tropical refreshment in the heat of the Malé afternoon. As we head back out toward the water, there's one more surprise waiting just behind the market at the edge of the pier. This is Stingray Point. Attracted by the scraps from the fish market, dozens of wild stingrays gather here every single day. It's an incredible sight, seeing these massive, graceful creatures right in the heart of a busy urban environment. They've become quite accustomed to people, often coming right up to the surface, offering a unique connection between the city and the sea. It's a powerful reminder that even in this densely packed capital, nature is never far away. As the sun begins to dip lower, the markets take on a golden glow, ending another vibrant day of trade and community. In our final part, we'll explore the modern side of Malé, from the local surfers at Artificial Beach to the moving tsunami monument. Join us for the conclusion of our tour as we see how Malé looks toward the future. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.